Stand for the pledge and the Dundalk Middle School Code of Conduct.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community.
Please be seated. Now let's find out what happened on this date in history.
The first European to discover the Northwest Coast.
Here's a look at this day in history. March 7th.
In 1778, Captain James Cook sighted the Oregon coast at Yaquina Bay, the first European to discover the Northwest Coast. On this day in 1936, German troops reoccupied a zone of the Rhineland which had been demilitarized, violating the Treaty of Versailles, which had ended World War I. Today in 2003, a 4-day walkout by musicians forced Broadway musicals to go dark. And on this day in 1876, Alexander Graham Bell patented the telephone. His early work with the deaf deepened his interest in transmitting speech electrically, so he invented the electrical speech machine.
Come here. I want you.
The device was a ringing success and signaled the future of communication. And that's this day in history.
Today's word of the day is durable. Denim is a very durable kind of fabric. And again, today's word of the day is durable.
Now let's get a check on the weather for Madison.
Good morning, it's Maddie here with your WDMS weather for March 7th. Today, mostly sunny, highs in the lower 40s, winds with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows in the lower 30s, winds with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. That was your WDMS weather, and here are the temperatures for the next 7 days.
Now for some words of wisdom.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. Let's start out with a few words of wisdom. This morning, I want you to take a moment to imagine a pond full of perfectly still, glassy water. Now imagine that you throw a pebble into the center of the pond. What happens? The rock creates tiny waves that ripple out into bigger and bigger circles. Did you know that all our choices ripple out into the world? That's right. Now listen to this ancient Chinese proverb. If there is light in the soul, there will be beauty in the person. If there is beauty in the person, there will be harmony in the home. If there is harmony in the home, there will be harmony in the nation. If there is harmony in the nation, there will be harmony in the world. Today, make some positive choices. Say something nice to someone else. Work a little harder in class. Set a new goal for yourself. Don't let it rip. With something to think about, the Santa Muhammad, make it a great day or not, the choice is yours.
And now here's a special announcement.
Do you know which U.S. presidents are on the penny, nickel, dime, and quarter? Presidents Lincoln, Jefferson, Roosevelt, and Washington are on our coins. In 2009, the penny got a one-year, four-coin commemorative program marking the 100th anniversary of Lincoln being placed on the cent and the 200th anniversary of his birth. Keep those coins coming for pennies for patience. Thank you.
And now here's Mr. Barish.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. I hope everyone enjoyed their snow day off yesterday, and we are going to be continuing with our MSA testing today. So I am going to review the schedule with you. Teachers received a electronic version of the schedule by Miss Birch just a little while ago. But today, again, as you know, will be a B day, and our 7th graders and our 8th graders will be testing today for day 1. So 7th grade will be testing for math today, for their MSA, and 8th grade will be taking the reading for today. We will also be following a regular B-Day schedule of 1, 2, 3, and ending with mods 9 and 10. The makeup session for 7th and 8th grade will be on Thursday, the 14th. So in 1 week from today, our 7th and 8th graders will take day 2 of math from 7th grade and day 2 of reading for 8th grade. So again, we are going to be following a regular B-Day schedule, which is starting with 1 and then going to 2 and 3 and then ending with 9 and 10. And our 7th graders will be taking their math MSA and our 8th graders will be taking their reading MSA. I want to wish all 7th and 8th graders the best of luck. Again, this is an opportunity for all 7th and 8th graders to showcase everything that you've learned through the course of this year. I want all students to go in to the assessment with confidence, like any other assessment. You will be successful, and this is a great opportunity not only to showcase what you know, but also help determine what classes and courses you'll be taking in the upcoming years, as well as helping making Dundalk Middle School moving from a good school to a great school. So I know all students will put forth their best effort. We ask all students during testing to make sure that 1, you are well rested, you had a good night's sleep, 2, you had a healthy, hearty breakfast the morning of your testing, and also 3, that you come to school and you come to school on time. And with that, when you come to school on time and you also come to school with a positive attitude and you put forth 100% effort, your teachers will be selecting you and offering you tickets and earning incentives for doing a great job. So remember, come to school on time, come with a positive attitude, and put forth 100% effort, and your teachers will recognize the excellence that you do. And I am very confident that every student who comes in with a positive attitude and comes to school and put forth 100% effort will either be proficient or advanced on their assessment. So best of luck to our 7th and 8th graders. I know you will do very well and represent DMS in the best possible way. This is an announcement for 6th graders. 6th graders, while 7th and 8th graders are testing, the expectation is that you will be walking quietly and in an orderly fashion in between classes in order to make sure all of our 7th and 8th graders have an optimal testing environment. Today after school, students, we will be having our parent conferences from 3 to 5:30. So again, today after school, we will be having our 3rd quarter parent conferences. And again, we want to wish all of our students an excellent testing day, and let's make it a great day at DMS. Now back to Emily and Intisar.
This is Intisar
and Emily reminding you to
stay classy, Dundalk Middle School.